Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish, Korean crispy fried chicken. How to make ingredients: chicken thighs and wings about 1 kilogram. Salt, ground pepper just enough, ginger, minced garlic 1/2 teaspoon, ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic, fry flour, cornstarch 150 g, cooking oil enough to cover the chicken, optional seasonings, roasted sesame, chopped green onions. Honey butter sauce includes butter, honey, minced garlic, onion powder, a little salt. Steps to make: wash the chicken and let it drain. Put the chicken in a bowl, marinate with salt, pepper, ginger, minced garlic. Mix well and let the chicken absorb the flavor for about 20 minutes. Mix cornstarch with a little water to create a thick mixture. Dip each piece of marinated chicken in this wet flour layer. First, frying. Heat the oil at a medium temperature of about 160 degrees. Fry the chicken until it is cooked through and has a light golden color, about 6 minutes. Remove the chicken and drain the oil. Second, frying. Increase the oil temperature to about 180 degrees. Fry the chicken a second time, about 1 minute each batch, until the chicken turns a beautiful golden brown color and is crispy. Remove the chicken and drain the oil completely. Make the honey sauce. Melt the butter in a pan. Add the honey, minced garlic, onion powder, and salt. Stir well until the butter is completely melted and the sauce is well combined. Turn off the heat. Add the chicken and mix gently. Preparation and enjoyment. Place the coated chicken on a plate. Sprinkle with roasted sesame seeds and chopped green onions for extra flavor and color. Enjoyment. Enjoy while it is still hot to feel the crispiness of the skin, the rich flavor of the sauce, and the tender, moist chicken inside. Korean fried chicken is often served with sweet and sour pickled radish and cold beer, called chamek. Things to note: pat the chicken dry. This is the most important step to get crispy skin. Double frying. This technique helps the chicken stay crispy longer and the outer layer is not too thick. The first time cooks the chicken, the second time creates absolute crispiness. Only mix the chicken with the sauce right before eating. If mixed too early, the heat of the chicken will soften the sauce and make the chicken quickly go limp. Korean crispy fried chicken is different thanks to the double frying technique, which helps the crust to be thin and crispy while still retaining the moisture inside the chicken. The chicken is usually fried without a thick layer of flour, then coated with a rich and shiny sauce right after frying, creating a characteristic flavor: crispy, sweet, salty, spicy, and fragrant. This dish is famous for the variety of sauces that come with: garlic sauce, doenjang, honey sauce, honey mustard, or sweet and spicy sauce, Yangnyeom. Thank you for your time watching. Goodbye and have a cozy and delicious meal. See you in the next delicious food sharing video.